Hey guys, it's Ash here, and I am coming to do a tutorial on some feed-in braids, and this will be a real-time tutorial. So here I am just parting off the hair. Normally I part off each section for each braid, but I'm just kind of freestyling right here. So I use edge control to define the parts. Here I am basically cleaning up the parts as much as I can. The edge control helps to clean up the parts so that you can get the little pieces of hair to stay on either side of the part where you need it. So that's what I'm doing here. In the front, I am also putting edge control and kind of smoothing out her edges. I don't really do the baby hair too much, so I'm just smoothing out her edges. This is my sister, she really does have really nice baby hair, so if you have clients like that, you can do your baby hair action if you wish. So here I am just combing all of the hair to the middle of where the braid will be. That helps to make braiding a lot easier and smoother for you. So that's what you are seeing here. Alright, so here I am starting off the braid with her natural hair. I just braid down a few times, and then I add the braiding hair. So I make like a loop, and then I just add that between my pointer and my thumb, and I continue braiding. So I grab that piece, and then I add that second loop underneath. So if you see my last video when I did the braids on myself, it is kind of that method. I just don't pull the braiding hair all the way around. Anyway, in the video later on, you will see me doing the method better. So right here, I'm just kind of in my groove and just kind of braiding. Yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on right here.
I'ma go freeze my wrist. I'ma go call me a phantom. Feeling like 50 and get rich. They just be calling me handsome. Still look up to my father. Man, I really love my mama. Came from the bottom of the bottom. I just been climbing the ladder. I just want commas and commas. Check out the check, I'ma stack it. Now king, I'm ballin' like Lonzo. I gotta look out for the rest of my team. They put in work, they deserve that. I put in work, I deserve that. I still remember my first track. Now on my tour in the world. Got a big crib, Great Gatsby. Bought a new wood like last week. Pull her to a crib in an Ashley. Said she wanna ride like a taxi. I'm feeling flashy. 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 Oh, got a strap and a satchel. He don't really wait for the fashion. Now your whole staring right at me. Cause she already know where the cash be. I'm feeling flashy. 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 Chain gotta shine like sunlight. In the nighttime, I'm a spotlight. Took a little time, had to get right. Stayed on my ground like a trip bike. 10 toes down till I come up. Caught me a break like a karma. Name go around like karma. Count up the cheddar and Parma. Shodde J, call me what you wanna. We go domestical, drinking on Corona. Smoking on testicle, come and roll up on us. Went from on the corners to our own corner. Now that I'm winning the race, my mama gon' stun in the race. I wanna live in the bay. You could just stay in the rain. Got a big crib, Great Gatsby. Bought a new wood like last week. Pull her to a crib in an Ashley. Said she wanna ride like a taxi. I'm feeling flashy. 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 Oh, got a strap and a satchel. He don't really wait for the fashion. Now your whole staring right at me. Cause she already know where the cash be. I'm feeling flashy. 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 I'm feeling flashy.
Got a big crib, Great Gatsby. Bought a new wood like last week. Pull her to a crib in an Ashley. Said she wanna ride like a taxi.
I'm feeling flashy. 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 I'm feeling flashy.
Got a strap and a satchel. He don't really wait for the fashion. Now your whole staring right at me. Cause she already know where the cash be.
feeling flashy, I'm 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 feeling flashy.
So flashy, got me feeling flashy.
Man, I'm tired of the same shit. People asking me how I came in, and people asking me who I.
Look at these beauties. So I have 2 braids done. Just wanted to show you guys the 2 braids, and then I am starting on the other side. So I'm just doing the same thing that I did on the other braids. And yeah, that little piece there was my stand that I used to section out the hair. So you can find that in the arts and crafts section at Walmart. I think it's a craft holder or yarn holder or something of the sort. But anyway, this is an up close and personal view of basically how I start off the braids and how I do the braids. So the rest of the video is basically self-explanatory. It's just basically showing you guys how I do my braids. Towards the end, I add the mousse to hold down the flyaways, and then I dip the ends in hot water. I will come back when it is time to gather the braids.
We on go, we blow smoke. I got a feeling that my nigga about to blow. And all we ever wanted was a bankroll. And stay from off the white man's payroll. That's why I'm in the field and in the studio. And I don't care about nobody saying no. We gotta eat, the only thing I see is gold. 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 Ooh, the only thing I see is gold. Ooh, the only thing I see is gold. Ooh, the only thing I see is gold. 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 My family out here hurting. I gotta do my thing and put this work in. I do this for my nigga in the dirt, man. I motivate to get this cake and bring the cake in. Man, this shit is for real, not for pretending. I had the courage in my heart before the timid. How could you argue with someone who do not understand? I know the feeling to be up, then to be down again. But fuck it, though, cause I'm on cool. Fuck a nigga who hate, cause nigga I'm tryna get on. I can't be stressing this shit, that's why I keep the styrofoam. I might pop me a nigga and take everything that he own. I ain't giving shit back, fuck your loan. I feel like I'm a king because I got a throne. I don't care about nothing else. The only thing that I see is gold. The only thing I see is gold. The only thing I see is gold. Ooh, the only thing I see is gold. Ooh, the only thing I see is gold. Ooh, the only thing I see is gold. 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 The only thing I see is gold.
If you ain't talking money, don't make
bitch, you a slug. Now that I'm shining like water with diamonds, my jewelry game look like a flood. Pour up, I'm sipping the syrup. Like a rollie, I bust down the shirt. Gas in my switch, so we rolling that killer, no movie, I'm smoking on purge. Little nigga, fuck what you heard. All of that trapping, I swerve. Pistol play with me, them bullets gon' fly like some birds. This is the life we deserve. Geek off his hand, little bitch, give me break, she a nerd. I just might pop me a perk. Supervise, give it a word. Niggas won't block me, I finally emerge. Check on me now like the first and the third. Oh man, I do what y'all can't. Club back, yin yang, windows to the wall, man. A lot of stacks, Coach Carter, show 'em how to ball, man. She say I'm saucy, designer tripping off me. If you ain't talking money, don't make sense to me, nigga. Flashing all this cash, I throw these figures on the field. Any nigga talking reckless, my head is gon' get a with you. And I pull out the top and make it onomatopoeia. Foreign cargo skirt, onomatopoeia. When they tie me out, she slut, onomatopoeia. Trap on going out the church, onomatopoeia. If you don't speak my lingo, nigga, I ain't speaking with you, nigga. I ain't she wanna work for both. I got the cash, I don't mean to brag. No Migo, she taking it off. Throwing it back, shaking her ass. I tasted this pill, it's soft. Break out the rags and fuck up a bag. Coach off, you hear the exhaust. No real tag, I just bought a cash. Rolling up fast, I just be making them mad. I got your bitch at the pass, she get too attached. Fuck her, then get it, bitch bag. No time to lay up and relax. It ain't my friend, what's the reason to chat? Prison bad nigga, catch me in the trap. You get your issue, you try and get amp. Pull up with sticks like we about to go camp. Oh man, I stay down like crawling out and
Alright, y'all, so to get that close together look, so the braids, you don't have that separation between the braids. I basically sew the braids together. So you basically put the needle through the back of the braid, underneath the braid pretty much. You go through the braid and you just continue doing that all the way across, and you also pull it tight so that all the braids look gathered at the nape of the neck. So that's basically what I'm doing here. A lot of braiders do this to give that gathered look. Otherwise, as you can see, the braids look separated. So this is what you do to give that gathered look. That's my little nephew right there. But yeah, so after I do this, I do use mousse to hold down the flyaways. I did blow dry it with the blow dryer. I did put the wrap strips on her edges as well. And that's pretty much it. So I just want you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in the next video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
I'm up, fuck a season, I can never fall, man. Quarterback, bitch, the second, watch me get it off me. They know I'm flossy, like the dentist office. If you ain't talking money, don't make sense to me, nigga. Flashing all this cash, I throw these figures on the field. Any nigga talking reckless, my head is gon' get a with you. And I pull out the top and make it onomatopoeia. Foreign cargo skirt, onomatopoeia. Baby, tie me out, she slut, onomatopoeia. Trap on going out the church, onomatopoeia. If you don't speak my lingo, nigga, I ain't speaking with you, nigga. I ain't speaking with you.
I'ma go freeze my wrist. I'ma go call me a phantom. Feeling like 50 and get rich. They just be calling me handsome. Still look up to my father. Man, I really love my mama. Came from the bottom of the bottom. I just been climbing the ladder. I just want commas and commas. Check out the check, I'ma stack it. Now king.